Hi, in this quick tip tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tweak your Grandstream HT818 to be used for a credit card machine. There are specific settings in Profile 1 or Profile 2 to be used to complete that handshake from a credit card machine to your server. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between. They can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. What we're going to do first is log in, and if you're not sure how to log in or how to program your Grandstream device, just go back in the description of this video and I'll link a few videos that show you how to specifically program, how to get your server, a little bit about US Tech that can help you do all of that. And as always, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe so I can keep making them for you. I hope they're a blessing. But the first thing you're going to want to do is log in. We're going to go to Profile 1. So up here you're going to need a primary SIP server. This is the one we're using for Core Dial. Next thing you want to look for is NAT traversal, and we're going to use Keep Alive. We're going to set the register expiration at 2. We're going to scroll all the way down, and right underneath this box right here we'll see allow incoming SIP messages from SIP proxy only. We're going to click yes for that as well. We're going to go down to our preferred DTMF method. We're going to do it in this order: in audio, RFC 2833, and then SIP info at the bottom. For this in-band DTMF duration, we're going to put 0. For this, we're going to disable DTMF negotiation. We're going to click yes, and we're going to use above DTMF order without negotiation. That would be this order right here: priority 1, 2, and 3. So click yes there. And we're going to disable call waiting, caller ID, call waiting tone. Just disable all of those. We're going to scroll all the way down to use first matching vocoder. And we're going to click yes for that. And all of our selections from choice 1 through 8 are going to be PCMU. And for voice frames per TX, we're going to make that 10. We're going to bump it up to 10. It's always good to also make the fax mode pass-through mode. Not that that's going to make any difference for our credit card machine, but I always do that anyways when you're working with alarm lines or credit card machines. We're going to change jitter buffer type to fixed. We're going to change jitter buffer length to high. We're going to scroll down to loop current disconnect here, and we're going to click yes. After that, we're going to go to disable line echo canceller. We're going to choose yes. And for disable network echo suppressor, we're also going to select yes. And after that, we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to click apply, and that's all there is to it.